Hi, my name is Mazi, and I welcome you to my YouTube channel. I am a digital marketer, all right, and I do affiliate marketing effectively, and I got result to show for them, okay, because result sticks. Okay, now if you stick with me on this channel, I'm going to be bringing you on a weekly basis. I'm going to be bringing tips and tricks, all right, how you can virtually scale it, make it, okay, doing online business, especially affiliate marketing. All right, I encourage you, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Be sure to hit the notification button so that every time I upload a video, you will be the first to get that video and the bonuses that are going to be coming with my videos. All right, please subscribe to my channel. All right, hit the notification button and also leave comments on a consistent basis. All right, thank you for joining me.